Hi, I'm welcome. Hi everyone. Hello. Anyhow, any whomst, anywhere, anyway. Today, if you remember, hi there, another good hi there, hi the Caper, by the way. Hi everyone. If you remember, last stream. Oh, that's blurry. Scandalous, that's why I had to blur it out. If you remember last stream, we've actually gotten with Tefta this to work properly, and now we can actually crack MyFair 1 cards if we know at least one key. Big if, but still, well, semi big if. Now here's to hoping, but still, that's something. Now then. Today, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'll need to try my hardest to go to sleep in about 4 hours. So I thought we could just do a quick 4-hour long live stream where I just add a couple of things to fix it, you know. My favorite like classic on her crypto one. Unbelievable. I thought that we could do a quick stream where we just add a couple of things to fix it. Just a couple. It will be important to keep in mind that for a lot of these things, we will need to be able to disassemble them. And the reason why is because none of these will be final. If I want to keep adding to fix it, I want to leave myself as much room for error as I can. So, that's why, for example, when it comes to the cooling system, it's been detached this entire time. Well, it's not really a cooling system, it's just a fan yet. I haven't made the cooling system. It is just a fan that we can detach anytime we want to. Also, it is pressing on the signal cable here, which I don't appreciate. There. But we will try to add a couple more things today, and they will require a fair bit more of everything. First of all, I don't like exactly that it's supported on the edges, and there's nothing in the middle, because we'll need to place 2 whole 18650 batteries in the middle, which is quite a lot. Quite a lot indeed. Okay, first things first. Let's make a list of all the things we'd like to add. Because quite a couple. It is in fact quite a couple. We won't add all of them today, but still useful to have a list. Let me make some space. Some space indeed. First things first, this custom PCB will be for power management reasons. And if we will have a custom PCB for power management reasons, another custom PCB I would like, which I cannot find for the life of me, I could have sworn it was somewhere on my desk, in this absolute shit ton of a mess. Why do I have filled in battery cases here? They could set a fire if the cables get jumbled up. Absolutely nothing. By the way, Caper, are you celebrating today or something? Or just drunk because it's late? I respect both. Reach their own. FIXiT. Damn it, do I not have a single general PCB? I shouldn't call them PCBs, they're not printed. Both actually. Well, good for you, what are we celebrating? Why did you say so? What are we celebrating? Please don't try to contact me. For the life of me, I cannot find another custom board, so we're just gonna leave this one for now. We're just gonna focus on the power management. Another one I wanted right here to function as an SPI and I2C extender, which we'll work on in the future. Aren't we celebrating Make-It's birthday? Oh, Duck, you finally remembered. Finally, someone remembered. This. Next thing will be this right here. USB-C power management system for 18650s. Another thing will be this, which is a step-up converter for the fan, because we'll need to. Another thing, we won't actually connect it, we'll just set it, well, we won't actually set it up, we'll just like add it to the edge. This screen right here, that will also be quite important. The power bank. And we also need a motor driver. That is actually way more important than the step converter itself. Because motor driver is the thing that will be, well, driving the motor. That tends to happen. Got my pyrotechnical license for boating. Okay, can be nine. So the default passwords. I mean, in this case, no, because here's the thing: the key A on my FIXiT cards is 6 bytes, right? And as such, and the encryption itself is rather shitty. So, where was I going with this? I'm sorry, I'm focusing on a lot of things at the same time. And doing nothing well. The point is it works, that's all that matters. Let's not look a gift horse in the mouth, right? It works. Here are my box of chips and candy. So it's a box of it's a box of different chips that I have, and at the same time of all the candy that I've gotten from when I was ordering components online. Because sometimes they just give you candy with whatever purchase you make. And I think that's a lovely practice. I absolutely adore it. And that's why I have a box of them. A box of all the candy I have that I got from ordering chips and electronics in general. But what we need is this integrated circuit right here. Tiny little bugger. You basically see it as a single dot on my hand. Because that's a motor driver. Hopefully use. Okay. We can close it back up. We can put it into... I'm short on breath. I can put it into my drawer of electronics. Brilliant. Okay. We could begin with the fan, I suppose. The fan is the easiest. Yeah, that feels right. That feels quite right. We can move this out of the way then. Oh, also the raspberry. Also the LEDs. Oh, there's so much. There is so much. So much. Put this first. Also, license. I can now legally acquire signal rockets that shoot up 300 meters. 4 seconds of lifestyle. Oh, caper. I'll be honest. Whenever I need to acquire them, I need to acquire them illegally. So that's good for you. Okay. Am I missing anything? I most certainly am, but I don't know what I'm going to be missing. Let's do it one by one. I mean, okay. This right here. We should probably first focus on placing them all properly. Not bad of an idea. And actually, we can place them all, at least as many as we can, onto the board, right? So we'll have the board, we will have we'll have the power lines from the power module going across, because they will just be effectively wires. This can be also screwed right next to it, which means that if we have the second floor, the power will be on the lower floor right here, like this. Then the top floor will be like this. This is where we effectively like to have it, I imagine. This... Oh, are you so dirty? Why are you so dirty? Are you still gonna work? Honestly, don't care how dirty you are, as long as you work. That could actually be pretty scary. In fact, hold on, let me clean it. Please don't call, don't try to contact me. I don't wanna do karaoke. I'm getting over. Hi, the ninja. What's poppin'? Not much, just a bit of making, you know how it is. There we go. That's not bad. That is not bad. Right. SolidWorks then. And let's design. Here we have the FIXiT. on the low shelf, this will be the house. Oh, it's angled. Right, no, it is angled. That is true. First, let's try printing it, maybe. Now we can delete this. Battery support 3. That's a battery support. That's obviously not what we're looking for. Charger module 2. Is that the one? No. No, it isn't, because that's the wrong angle. Which means we need to get this and we need to export it as charge module 3. Yeah, there we go. Now the third one should be right. Yes, that is correct. So we can slice it, we can print it, we can see how it's gonna lie there. There is so much. There's genuinely just so much. It's painful. Because yet another thing. That's so annoying. You see, I'm paralyzed with choice because right now I have a lot of options on how I can attach everything. But once I attach it, with every single component I attach to the final product, it's becoming more and more annoying to add more. So I do need to plan as much as possible without actually adding anything. Because when I add them, that's kind of final. Not completely final, but still. Okay, so this appears to be the length of in between. Okay, this will fit, that's good. This is where the LEDs will lie. Where's my measuring didgeridoo? Has anyone seen my measuring didgeridoo? Oh, that's where it is. Thank you, darling. What a helpful little chap. Let's see it. It appears to be 67. Yeah, 67 millimeters. So 67 by. I'm to get the measurement image. Yeah, exactly. 67 by. Is it 9? 67 by 7. Alrighty then, 67 by 7 it hopefully will be. It doesn't have anything, and I mean absolutely anything that I can attach it by. No screws, no mounting points, no nothing. Which means I'll need to get creative. And I'll need to figure out something. It does have places for coupling capacitors in the middle. But those won't really work. Also appears to be that there were gears there, but they just covered them up. Don't know why. Oh well. Ah! I checked off the motor driver of the place where it's gonna be. That's gonna be annoying to find if I lose it. Fortunately, I have another 140, I think 7 of them. It's gonna be that much easier. Okay. I really am hesitant to get started because I know how much effort it's gonna be once I get started. But I feel like a safe place to start would be to try to solder the motor driver and the LEDs. I've been putting them off for quite a while, but I feel like it's a good place. Yeah. Right. How many of these do we need? We didn't get any coupling capacitors, which means I'll need to use the... Because I don't have any surface mounted, the book hasn't come yet, so... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is correct. 8 is what we are looking for. I still am a bit upset that it doesn't come pre-soldered. A bit disgraceful, but... Oh well. I suppose, you know... I do my job. Do my job now and actually assemble it. My name is Make It after all, so you know. Oh, come on. Get off. There we are. Come on, piss off. Just unzip. Unzip thyself. I know that I can just secure it from the other side, but I'm not an animal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Oh shit. Okay, there we have them. Oh, they're gonna be so annoying to solder. Ah, 5. Okay. 8. They're going to be so unbelievably annoying to solder. Goodness gracious me. Ha ha ha. Hee 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 ha. Alright, let me just zoom in as much as I can. Oh, that's it. That's all. That's as much as I can. Fine. Alright then. Well, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get. Basically, stream make it. Demand having we make. The C2 used to make. There's some fine shit. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be such a pain. Well, as I said, time to earn our living. No one said it's gonna be easy. Let me just first move all of them to this side so that I can make sure I don't lose any. Then what we'll need to do is we'll need to orient them properly to make sure that... Okay, I'm gonna be soldering on the hexagon because, well, good luck, I suppose. And then what we would like to have is, I think... Well, the camera, they put it at a higher angle. Come on. Once again, we're not animals. I can't actually say that. There we go. Much better of an angle. So now I can actually bring them down. Instead of bringing them up, crossing myself. It's gonna make it easier to solder. Okay. First things first. WS 2812, if I'm not mistaken, and also the name of the motor I've completely forgotten. I'll need to check it. It appears to be L911OS. L911OS. Hard to forget. Okay. Yeah, this one's fine. Which pin is which? Okay, here we have the pins. So this is what we'll need to do. Gotcha. It means that at one of these LEDs we should have, on one of these LEDs we should, well, not on one of these LEDs, on one of these corners from these LEDs we should have a triangle. We do. Okay, so the pin that the triangle is on is VSS, which is ground. Right, okay, so that is ground. I think triangle to the triangle? Let me first check this out because I am highly skeptical. Where does the ground go? Wait, ground does appear to go to the... Oh, if I mess it up, I'm just... If I mess it up, it's gonna be so much wasted time, you know? The money I didn't care about, they were cheap, but the time... That's why I thought I was ordering pre-built ones. Okay, I'm guessing this. That's what I'm guessing it should be. Guessing. Very important, can't stress enough, guessing. The opposite of certain. Alright. How are you all doing, by the way? As I'm setting everything up in the background. The sponge, the soldering iron itself. Okay. Going to be a bit in the way, but well, everything is. Well, indeed. That's good. Got here. Haha, it's gonna be so awful. Also, the coupling capacitor still. That's another thing we need. Which I have got some. Well, I have some capacitors. They're not SMD, which is why it's gonna be. What about you? Me? Well, so far I woke up. I had a 3-hour-long meeting with Remco, planning the next video. And then I'm doing this. And then after this, I'm gonna go right back to sleep because I've actually messed up my sleep schedule, unfortunately, for my purposes. I am, in fact, 5 hours ahead of when I should be at this time. Which isn't great. Okay, what do numbers on capacitors mean? Do I need to measure them with a multimeter? Because I might. Oh, can I even? Can I measure capacitance? The standard multimeter. I swear, if I drop this soldering iron on me, you can't see it, it's right here. If I drop it on myself, I'm gonna be quite upset. And I suppose in pain as well. I feel like that could also be it. Alright, let's try how much these are. I don't remember what the capacitance should be for a coupling capacitor. I just don't remember. There's something around 100 microfarads? Picofarads? Nanofarads? It might have been nanofarads, I think. I think nanofarads. It should be 100 or should have been like maybe 10? As long as we're within 2 orders of magnitude, I'll take that as a win. Okay. Stop jumping. I am skeptical now, and I feel like we might not actually be able to measure this. Shit! Can I just use any? Is any an option? Because then I'm gonna use these. Simply because they're already open. Could be 5 picofarads actually. It has number 5 on it. Does anyone watching know what numbers on capacitors mean exactly? Like typical ceramic, double side capacitors. Nope. Alright, I guess we're winging it. I'm going to guess it's a measurement of how many farads it has. I'm also gonna make another guess that the size is directly proportional to the capacitance. Nope, the first guess was incorrect because we have 152, which are just not there. But I am going to make a guess that the size directly corresponds to the capacitance, and I'm gonna make a second assumption that we don't need much. Because, to be fair, without the coupling capacitor, it still work for me. I just want to do this proper-ish. Well, clearly not that proper. Okay. First, let's align them. And first, let's try soldering maybe the LEDs on their own. How about that? We should have covered this all in flux. What am I doing? You know what? I have a better idea. Let's... Do I have a better idea? My honestly better idea should be to first replace this ending on my soldering iron because it's a bit thick. The problem is I just heated up the soldering irons. Now I'm gonna have to wait till it cools down. Or I could just unscrew it when it's still, you know, hot. We're gonna have some flux. We're gonna take the flux. We're going to apply it beforehand, afterwards. Jeez, I really don't want to mess it up because there's gonna be, once again, so much wasted effort if I mess it up. Ah, whatever. Where's my beloved piece of cardboard that I use for these kind of scenarios? There it is. There. Mmm. Cancer liquid. My beloved. Oh, I can smell it. That's not great. I don't think you should be able to smell it. Okay, let's replace the tip of my soldering iron. It's still hot, but I have gloves. Don't worry, they're not heat proof. But they're still gloves, so... There we go. And then I'm gonna replace it because I do have another tip, which is the really similar to this tip. The only difference being that it's a bit thinner at the end, which I think I'm gonna really appreciate. Kirchhoff's laws? I don't even know what Kirchhoff's laws are. Done. Okay, we can plug it back in, and the nice thing is that since it was heating up already, and since it was already hot, it should still be hot. You know, upsides. Always look at the bright side of life, huh? Now what we can do is we can zoom in, make the image sharp. Yeah, beautiful. Then... Oh, it already has cancer liquid on it. Make it. Don't touch it with bare hands. I beg you. Then we can position all of the LEDs. Go. Right. Okay, I'm hoping that it's all aligned at least well enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be touching. Now, once again, I'm also making another assumption, which is that they're all aligned properly. I'm assuming that the triangle on the LED has to align with the triangle on the PCB, which is a pretty fair assumption, I would say. I mean, obviously I would say that, because otherwise I wouldn't be doing it. Let me switch my music playlist to Maddening Science. I feel like that would fit in a little bit more. And since no one is talking in chat, I might as well just enjoy myself. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. Are you not hot? Is that the issue? Work with me. That's a lot of toxic smoke. Yeah, I might need to apply the solder first. Oh, that's a really bad hot end. I regret my decision. The previous hot end was a bit better. Okay, but so far it's going well at least. I was kind of worried about applying the solder first because then it might make the surface uneven, which might make the LEDs a bit more difficult to place. But hey, given how we're already here. I can't wait to solder THT transistors onto an SMD PCB. That's gonna be fun. Alright, there we go. Worst case scenario, I'm pretty sure we can just connect these lines. Well, actually, can we? Is it ground and toxic smoke? Ugh. I've got a big sniff from that. Is it connecting a power line or is it connecting something else? Let me see. On the date sheets, the coupling capacitors appear to connect. No, they just appear to connect the 5 volts to ground. Oh yeah, and I guess we can't connect them, can we? That's bad. Alright, let's try it. See, that's what I was talking about. I knew it would be absolute pain to solder if we apply too much solder on the first try. Nope, don't you dare. Hey. Oh, you're not connecting to any of them. Absolutely any of them. You are just... Oh, you bloody... I'm like 75% certain I've damaged the LED by now. I mean, it's soldered. Ah! Make it! Cancer chemicals! Don't touch it with your bare fucking hands! You idiot! Damn it! Inside my workshop, behind the old arcade, electric desires have unrolled all my wires. You're in a box for keeping. Ba, 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 ba. The news reporters reported that all my organs were living on circuit board collecting change. Yeah. Guy was going to listen up here. Damn it, come on. Such an absolute pain to solder. My goodness, I am going to lose my mind. I honestly I've lost it already. I mean, I have managed to solder the first one. Only barely. I've done that one. Kind of, it's shitty, but kind of. I really wish I could test it. I guess I can. Oh, that's the output, which means I would need to solder it right here to test the input. Shit! It's fine. I need to do it right here to test the connection. Alright, there we go. I suppose we can test it with a Raspberry Pi Pico. Oh, just stop. Ah, damn it. Come on. Come on, connect. Come on, connect, come on, connect. Come on! Alright. It's taking such a shit ton of effort, and they're impossible to desolder as well, because you need to keep all four of them hot at the same time. Which, good luck doing it. Ah, I swear, I feel scammed. I genuinely do feel scammed. The way I bought an 8 long strip of WS28 12s, and they send me W8 28 12s and the fucking strip separately. Without even the coupling capacitors in between them. I'm fine, I'm okay. Hey, I'm okay, I'm calm, I'm relaxed. I am an avatar of peace. and quiet and calm. And what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna zoom out on the camera, and we're gonna take this right here, Raspberry Pi Pico. Because you're the only person in the world who understands. Then I'm going to plug it in, hopefully. It works, okay, brilliant. And then we'll try plugging it into the strip to see if it can be controlled. If it can, that's nice. If it can't, well, that's expected, because I mean, look at it. Import NeoPixel, and now I just need to remember how to use NeoPixel. NeoPixel, how to use it. Installation features, simple to use, yeah, but how? Alright, so the way you use it apparently is... Oh, that's a C library, that's curious. I didn't even know. Oh, that's convenient! Huh, I can do it with C. I'm not going to, because I'm gonna have the Raspberry Pi Pico controller. The Raspberry Pi Pico will, via repo, connect it to the Raspberry Pi 5 via UART. Okay, so NeoPixel, pixels is equal to NeoPixel, then NeoPixel. And then we give it the pin, so what we need to do first is import machine. NeoPixel. Then we need to give it a pin. For the sake of convenience, we're going to use pin number whichever, which is it? $16? GPIO 16. Okay, we're gonna use pin 16 because we already have it plugged in. Yeah. Pin 16. And then 8, right? Alright, brilliant. Pixels. How do you use it then? Okay, so you do just pixels 0 is equal to, and then just set the color like red, for example. I'm gonna hold with that for now because this right here is the 16th. So we plug this into input. So we need to bend it a bit to make sure it sticks. Looks. Okay, let's see if it lights up with red. Pixels 0 is equal to 25500. It did not. Do I need to show it maybe? Because that's, I vaguely remember that. I vaguely remember pixels show? No. Damn it. No, should be dot show. Huh? Huh? What do you mean? I am so confused. Hold on. No, no, MicroPython. Yeah, then you do this. Right. Oh my goodness, it's right. Oh, I take back everything I said. It did just light up. It's red. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, brilliant. So we know that the basic premise works. Good. Which means that now we just need to solve the rest. Ideally, we'd like to solve the next one and then test if, and then see if it needs coupling capacitors. Because if it doesn't, then I don't want to solve them, obviously. Oh. Yeah, I know I haven't put on my gloves, but on my glove, singular. Come on, come on. Stuck. That's good. No, still good. Oh, this one's already also stuck, even though it's at an angle. Okay, brilliant. Jump. This night, give us varying shades of grey. Jump to end this fun beat. Oh. I don't like how this one is just fucking angled. That bothers me. I don't think it's connected properly. Solder it. Brilliant. Not an easy task, actually. I managed to also flip it. Even brilliant. Worker, I saw you begin it, walking the water so. It coming. Okay, beautiful. I can't believe burn to the ground that we make ourselves. Now it's time to cross our fingers. Because if it works without coupling capacitors, which it might, coupling capacitors after all connect the voltage to ground to stabilize it, if I recall. That's brilliant. Okay, let's try it. And then signal. I'm worried that because only the first one lit up. I mean, it was a garbage input, so, you know, even the first one lighting up was quite something. But I'm worried that only the first one, because if even with the garbage inputs, a lot of them should light up. Red, brilliant. Ah, fuck. Why though? Why does it not work? Why does it not work? Come on. Give me. This one is voltage to the ground. So does it not work for that reason, or is the second one just soldered poorly? Because it might be either one. It shouldn't really be because of the coupling capacitors. It really shouldn't. Okay, hold up coupling capacitor, but I guess we can check. I'm gonna hold. Nah, piss. Stay in the. I'm gonna bend you if I have to. Yeah, you're hooked. Paranoid DJ reference. Yeah, it's not because of the coupling capacitor. The solder work must be poor on this. Consider me shocked and surprised. Right, let's try it then. I could just have it keep writing over and over and over again, I suppose. Pixels 2 is equal to 25500. Just for the sake of variety. For I in actually imports time for I in range. Let's do 1000 15 minutes. Why not? Pixels right. Actually no, this is 0.3. Just do that. So you cheeky little bugger. Invalid syntax. I'm going to defenestrate you is what I'm gonna do. Why do you... I'm fine. REPL is quite buggy with this, I do have to say. Apparently this is what it saw, which is absolutely not You know, multiple lines I can. Oh my goodness. Do I just need to make a program for this? Fine. Run.py. Let's write a program for this. Pixels equal to neopixel pin pin 16 8 for I in range 1000 pixels right time sleep 0.3. Unless 0.3 is a problem. No, it doesn't appear to be a problem. Okay. So right now we should be writing all those pixel values every 1/3 of a second. Which is why it's so weird that right now it's not doing anything. Did I break the first pin or is the connection just off? No, I think the first pin is broken. Ah! It blinked. Do I actually need to solder these pins? I'd rather not, because then it's gonna be more annoying to solder the other ones. Ah, fuck it. If you wouldn't mind holding it down like so, I would really appreciate it. Cheers. Settle down. Nothing like soldering a live circuit. Alright, now it's soldered. Which is why it's so weird that it still isn't working. Shit. Could be one of you. Of your connections. Oh! I managed to get the second one to break completely. Yes, it was the first LED that has the soldering problems. Brilliant! Absolutely brilliant. I'm gonna break something. Oh! Prophetic. It's off. I feel so scammed with this order, I do have to say. I'm just so tempted to just chuck these into the trash now and order something that comes actually pre-assembled. Because the last pin isn't connected. But then why is it also not lighting up at all on its own? Ah, because we in the code. Because the code has an error, obviously, that's why. There we go. And the second one is breaking. And the reason why the second one is breaking is because right here, this connection. It's really shite. But hey, at least we don't need coupling capacitors. Okay, first two are correct. Now it's time for the next one. one of these connections. It's clearly wrong. Alright, we got 3. And we will just genuinely be going one by one. Until we get all of them. Oh, this one isn't soldered. Oh, come on. What's happening there? I think that applying the solder in advance was in fact a mistake. I should have gone with my gut and just eaten something instead of working on this. Because also all the LEDs on the left are just blinding me. Theoretically all the connections are there, but practically they're clearly not. And I know that all the previous connections are proper because they did light up for half a second. Snap it off. Now ideally what we'd like to do is we just like to hold it up and then just corner by corner. I think I just snapped off. Haha, I think I just snapped off the piece of the LED. Yeah, I'm pretty certain I just snapped off a piece of an LED. Alright, we need a new one. It's going well. It's going so well. It is going so well, in fact. I also need to keep paying attention to my other screen, because once the program terminates, it will stop resetting them, which means I won't be exactly able to tell. Let's flatten all them. Oh, you little tosser. Come on. Right, two left. Two left, and hopefully these two will ideally light up the entire strip. Oh, it finished. So we need to run it again. Okay. Okay, it's clearly glitching a lot. It's mainly to be expected if the date line is messed up. What's the third color? Fourth? Red, green, blue. Red and blue. Oh no, that should be purple or violet, not yellow. Okay. It feels like it's really close to being the right color, but then just... It's white now. That doesn't sound right at all. Not in the slightest. Let's try changing it. Let's try changing the third one, flipping the fourth and fifth. Alright. Run. No, it's still the same, which means it's still awful. Ah, damn it. Okay, I need to, like, smoosh it then. Oh, that's a lot of magic smoke. It's orange now, is that correct? Red, green. Yes! That is actually correct. Holy shit, I wasn't expecting that to work. I just... Alright, let's flip them back. And let's see if we get purple. No, so that's error orange. Brilliant. We could just rip it off again and just replace it with a third LED. I think that's what we might do, because this one is already pretty worse for wear. So I do feel so scammed with the fact that I apparently ordered it from IKEA. Jeez, alright. Okay, brilliant. Come on, let's do it. Okay. A healthy amount of solder. Right, that's a pretty healthy amount. And then one last pin. And that last pin should actually give us connection. That's not great. I'm gonna lose my mind. bothers me so much. I might just throw it away at this point because this bothers me. We have more important things to do. You know what? I'm leaving it. Because the closest... Hi there, holy thing, hi. The closest time at which... oh my goodness, my head. After looking directly at the lights, all of a sudden I just got hit with how much my eyes had. But... this is something that will only become important after we connect the Pico to the Pi via UART. So the motor will become important right now though, because it will need it for the...
Oh,
Hi.
how you doing?
Relatively well. I tried soldering the LEDs and just it didn't work.
Did you solder them badly?
Well, it's just really difficult to solder and I can't do it.
But you're the best at soldering.
I ordered them thinking that they would come pre-soldered, but they apparently fucking didn't.
I feel like you've made that mistake multiple times already.
No, it's the same LEDs. They've just been sitting on my desk this entire time because of how upset I was that they didn't come pre-soldered.
Oh. It's those ones, okay.
Oh, this is such a tiny chip. I would zoom in more on my camera. Okay, this is as far as it gets.
And now you're doing what?
I'm soldering a motor driver. At least I'll attempt to.
Is that gonna help your hack cards that are totally yours?
Oh no, that one was finished. I've already can hack cars. Last stream you've nailed it.
Okay, cool.
Shit. Oh come on! I've soldered the chip to the fucking solder. Look at it. I've soldered it to the fucking solder.
Task failed successfully.
Task succeeded with a failure, I would rather say. Okay. Difficult. I feel like humans need more hands, specifically for soldering. We should give every human an additional pair of hands, just in case they want to solder something.
You really like that argument.
Because
like,
it's true. If you ever solder anything, you'll realize what I mean. You need to hold down the soldering iron, you need to hold up the solder, you need to hold down the thing you're soldering, and you need to hold down the thing you're soldering it to.
I feel you might need a lab assistant.
An unpaid intern just to sell me.
You need a sexy lab assistant in a maid outfit to help you soldering.
Your completely unbiased view of what would help me.
Yeah.
There we go. Incredible. Alright.
I know, right?
I know, right? So I truly am. Oh, I think I've nailed it. We just look at it closer. It does look as if I nailed it.
Does it work?
That's the question.
Does it work as a chip or does it work as a smoke machine now?
We might be adding the power bank, so if I plug in the batteries incorrectly, we're gonna see a really fun smoke machine. Okay. What the actual? I'm sorry, I just got a message. Late night. Have a good sleep. Have a good one. Bye. Bye, Dark. Bye. Have a good one. Okay. Now, so we got this out of the way. What's next? Cassie, what's next? What do I have to do next? Cassie! Oh, you're muted. Unbelievable. Honestly. Unprofessional. Okay, where are my capacitors? I had a whole bag of them. Where did I put it? The box is empty. It should be full. My entire workspace is such a mess. Where did I?
Meow.
Where did I? Where? Whom? How? When? Oh, right here. Here we go. That's what it should look like. Brilliant. So, I'm gonna pop this in. Then from the motor driver, we would like the thing that it drives to be connected to this. Yes. Okay, well that's also another thing I need to solder. So let me just plug in the soldering out of the back.
More soldering. Woohoo!
More lead in my bloodstream. Yippee indeed. Someone just messaged me a screenshot of a game of Balatro. That and that their friend is playing, and like I replied to it with the meme of machine love but Balatro, and they replied that the person already sent them that meme. I genuinely am just trapped in a bubble. Okay. And
You're trapped in Jamie bubble.
Gender bubble. Okay.
That too.
Oh, I need to now figure out which pins are which. Ah, shit. Who has any clue? Well, alright. No. Where's the LS911 OS? I'll never forget that name. Okay, ground and ground is 5 and 8, which means that if we can connect the external, if we get a connection on the external sides, that means we are on the ground side. If we get a connection on the internal, that means we're on the voltage. Alright. Brilliant. Right, 5 and 8, that's ground, 2 and 3, that's voltage, which means if we do this, that's the ground side. Oh, how convenient. Oh, shit, that should be voltage. That should be beeping right now. Ah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, indeed.
Is it broken?
Apparently not soldered properly is what it is.
Impossible. You're the best at soldering.
I know. Freaked out as well. Oh, fine.
You know, you really pissed me off.
This requires full attention, alright? You can't distract me with songs about rowing a dog. Or dogging a row, I don't know, I feel like that would be more appropriate. That's actually not a bad song to play to what I'm doing right now. Give me a second.
Yeah. The song is about romantic relation and not Chinese cooking.
Let's raise that. This is correct. This isn't. Why? Why is it not? This is correct. How are you not correct? That's all that there is. I'm feeling like shit. I need a. Alright, this. Let's see. Shut up.
The bits you choose to omit are just brilliant.
I'm very strategic about what I say. What I choose to say, what I choose to omit. Alright, come on. Why are you still not solved properly? I've gave you every opportunity I could. But I mean, two is already too many. Most people don't even get one. Take another head and sit in this bed as the wall is caving in. I can see the. Oh, I just completely melted my cable. Well, that's fine. Is this like independent? What is going on? Doesn't make any sense. So I can see your eyes. Oh, I'm sorry, what? From underneath, that one doesn't work. Huh? How does it only work on the top?
I don't work very well on the top either.
Okay, got me check on that one. That's why I don't understand this. This is just witchcraft. That's correct. How is this incorrect? Give me something. Give me one beep. That's not the right beep. I could just, I don't know, hope. It's the only idea I have at this point. Hope that is correct.
Stage 2 bargaining.
Yeah. So in this case, these two should be the ones. Which means it should be 6. Yeah, and it should be 7, shouldn't it? Probably it should be 7. These two should be connected, but they very much don't appear to be. Do I wing it? I could wing it. I could just try and hope for the best. Yeah. Okay. joking me. You must be. Utterly and completely.
No joking around allowed.
Exactly. I got a single strand of wire. I've cut every single one except one. A singular strand of wire. That's not going to be enough to carry anything. Okay.
Probably enough to make a light bulb for like a little bit.
It could work enough to set it on fire.
Yeah.
If I just plug it in. Okay, cool. Yes, much better. Alright. Input, output pin. Output pin is the same. Outputs are the outer ones of the voltage. Which means that if the grounds are on this side, that means the outer sides on the other side are the output pins.
Mm-hmm.
So Cassie, how was your day?
Been okay.
I had an interesting morning when I woke up. I had a couple of videos to watch.
Well, did you like the videos?
Yeah, they got me out of bed. Very good. Wood, just wood.
Damn. They definitely left you with a wood. Yes.
Not what I meant, but hey.
But I ain't wrong.
Can't solve the right now. Laughing.
Hey, you started this topic. That's not my fault.
That is true. Can't blame you for this one. Alright, now, theoretically, hypothetically, as a pure guess, making liquid nitrogen, that just without context, I don't really think about it. I feel like there's some context we're omitting there. Just making liquid nitrogen, just, alright. You making liquid nitrogen? Or am I making liquid nitrogen? In that case, I'm not aware of that. And to all federal officers watching this, I would like to say I have nothing to do with that, certainly.
You type of person to make liquid nitrogen on accident.
I have wanted to get a cryo, I don't know what it's called, cryo something, or build it. Which is basically just like, it's
Wanted to freeze a cat.
basic for future use. No, but like a cryo thing that just is cooling depending on how much power you give it. And the neat thing about it is that if you insulate it, it will just keep on cooling. So you can just reach arbitrary low temperatures. Well, within the limit.
Mm.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh, how am I gonna bend you?
What for?
For shits and giggles. I haven't gotten that far in the planning stage to figure out why. Okay.
Do you ever did that parlays?
I've never get
I don't think
there.
you do.
I'll never get there. Takes the fun out of it, you know, thinking why.
There's never a reason why you need like 2 liters of sulfuric acid.
5. It's 5 liters.
5, sorry.
Let's keep our facts right,
It's
right?
5 liters.
Just give me this. Let's bend it. Let's bend this sucker.
I've had that said to me before.
Damn, you party. Shit. Good for you. Come on. Oh, with my bare fucking hands. I'm incredible.
Mm.
Duh, perfect arch. You can't really see it.
I can confirm your bear has are pretty good at fucking.
Whoa. Lots to unpack there. Okay. So this right here should be one. Okay, then there, you cheesy fucker. Brilliant. Absolutely and utterly beautiful. The 1, 2, 3. So this right here is where I need to bend this. Ah, I could try it with my bare hands again.
Mm.
Don't moan like that, jeez. This make it sad or something.
Yeah, I'll certainly moan next time.
Thank you, I appreciate it. There we go. Shut up! No, seriously, one of the greatest compliments I've ever received was one time someone calling me a thirst trap. That was one of the highlights of
I
my
mean,
life.
I wouldn't say that wrong. I've seen those pictures. That money spread was quite something.
These pictures. I'm not ready yet for those pictures. I still have like, I would say a month before I am ready to make that meme. Come on, oh my fucking goodness. This is honestly. Oh, human beings shouldn't be able
You're
to bend
counting.
metal like that.
You're counting yourself a month. Is that a solid calculation?
I count myself what? Shut up! You count, I count myself as what?
You're counting a month. Is that a calculation you've made? And it would take one more month.
I hope so. I hope it's gonna be about 1 month. What if I survive that long?
Mm. Well,
Actually, when talking with fish, and
after a month, you've done 4 times as much exercise as you've done up until now.
Wait, what did you say? I didn't hear you because I need to lower down the music. Static is a pretty chaotic
It's
sound.
fine. No. You can. Static is more important than me. Keep it up.
What did you say? Well, either repeat yourself. I'm gonna need to rewind it on live stream, alright?
It wasn't important.
Fine, I need to rewind it on live stream. Jeez, unbelievable.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you. What I was saying is, in a month from now, you would have done 4 times as much workout as you've done up until now.
Maybe. I need to check because it
You
can't.
can run a mouth for that. I am correct.
Let me see. So far, I've been doing it every single day for 35 days. So it's gonna be a sum. Okay, let's see. For I in range 35. Wait. X equals 0. For I in range 35. X plus equals 25 plus I. So up to this point, that would be 1450. And then for I in range 30, x plus equals 25 plus I plus 35. Print x. Yeah, a little bit over twice as much in the next month.
I didn't count it at 35 days, not 30. Math.
Okay, how much did I bend it?
Math too.
It's so tempting to just hit it with an axe, because I feel like that could actually bend it into the right shape. But I need to rest it on something. Just like on the edge of my desk. No, that ain't gonna work. I need to rest like right here on the edge of my desk. Ah! I'm a genius. It worked. Now it's bent properly.
It is.
Yeah. Of course. There was no doubt in my mind that I would have eventually.
That's what she said.
Is it in? No, I can't tell if it's actually in. Oh, lots of smoke. Unnecessary amounts of smoke.
Comically unsafe amounts of smoke.
Comically unsafe amounts of smoke, exactly. I'm just doing it for comedy reasons. Okay. Neat. Now what? That's a good question. If I plug in, because that's the input terminals, yeah. Which means that if I, right now, take my lab power supply. If I take my lab power supply, if I plug in the plus to the plus, minus to the minus, give it 12. What do I want to give it 12 volts actually? I don't know if it can handle 12 volts. Ah, shit! I think the amplifier should be after it. How much volts can you handle? 8. Fuck. That is less. Fuck, well in
Correct.
that case... Yeah, that is correct, isn't it? It is less. In that case... This is wrong. Oh, damn it, it looks so well as a neon tiny circuit. But at the same time, it's gonna fry, so I guess it looking well doesn't matter.
Did you solder that?
Yeah, it's so... Ah, shit. I guess I could just desolder it and then move it over.
Well, you should have said that sooner.
Yeah, I just I was listening to Rodok, I wasn't thinking.
You were rolling it, I may say.
Could be described by some like that, yeah. By me, okay. So right now I could reuse a lab assistant.
That should be a term we use. Make it rolling, okay. Doing unwise technical decisions while listening to that song.
Because President stands the idea so often. Might as well. Damn it, I've Rodogged it. I can't pull out. Cassie, I can't pull out. Trying, but I think it's too late.
I might have to cut it off then.
Whoa. You know how much time it took me to get it in? I'm not cutting it off. I'll need to use it, alright? I need to put it in this hole right here, okay? Shit. shit. Oh, there we go. I pulled out. Okay, that wasn't easy. There we go. Ah,
Yeah, next time, don't make it so tight.
yeah, that's so hot.
Oh, that's on me.
Hi there, another good duck. Hi, how you doing? How you doing?
Hi, Dad. How you doing?
Voltage output pins. Okay, so output pins are right there. That's good. Which means that right here we need to solder, and like so. Gotcha. Voltage. That doesn't really matter. On paper, all of this should work. The problem is we're not really doing it on paper, are we? We're doing it on a technical mat. After Rodog, Spotify is playing me such transfer coded songs. Adderall. Like Adderall, but instead of air, it's hair. And it's made by a creator whose name is Fem and M.
Oh, Spotify is they're so good. I love their music. Spotify is doing a good job right now. Second you said that song name, I knew it had to be them. Only they made such a brilliant puns.
I might make a new playlist for this. Give me a second. New playlist. I'm gonna call this playlist. Damn it! I know what word I want to make a pun with. I just don't know how to. I don't know. Oh, whatever. Not a pun. Let's just call it playlist for snorting estrogen. Yeah. Where's the black cable? Shit! I've had it in my. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Estrogen.
I was losing my mind recently. Like, I was really losing it when I realized that depressogens exist. Depressogen is a real thing. And apparently, you know what what's an opposite of a depressant? Or even better, what's an opposite of an antidepressant? It's depressogen.
Depressant, isn't it?
It's depressogen. Depressants are not opposites of antidepressants. Opposites of antidepressants are depressogens. What in the actual fuck?
Well, you could make an acronym. That'd be the worst. Well.
This is all just Spotify auto playing these songs, so not bad. Could be worse. Bird brain. Jeez.
Yeah. You should listen to more Feminine. Feminine.
I might.
They there's some fucking brilliant music. General Fluid.
Is that
My
name?
favorite.
Is that name one of their songs?
Yeah, it's like one of the songs.
I keep on running.
What the hell?
Oh damn it. Fine. Let me just like this. Ah shit. This has to go like this. 7 more hands. That's what I need.
They have a song called C20, H21, FN20. What is that?
Expect me, I don't know that, I'm not that transcoded. Hold on. Oh wait, isn't that the one you were asking about a while back ago?
Maybe.
I remember you a while back asking about some chemicals because you've seen the song.
It's an antidepressant, apparently.
Oh, that one, yeah. Yeah, you asked about it before.
Did I ask about this specific thing before?
Yes.
Oh my. Dementia. I mean, dementia. It's
Just for
over.
double check, can you go into the Flames channel on Discord and look for that specifically? See if I'm correct.
For that.
Yeah, because I'm beginning to question myself.
Mm. Influence channel. I don't see it.
Ah, so I shouldn't be questioning myself. I just touched my finger with a scorching hot soldering iron. Yeah, I don't know when I'm supposed to snap.
From overcut. No.
Yeah, I can't find it either. I could have sworn. I genuinely could have sworn. How do I fix this?
So maybe that didn't happen. Maybe you're gaslighting me.
I'm gaslighting myself in this case. Because I genuinely think it happened. Come on. Piss in the... Mate, I ain't got all day. Or all night. It's not even day.
Yeah, I can't search the name of the thing either. Didn't happen, I guess.
Can't you just get in? Is it
I mean,
in?
if you're asking, nice.
Is it in? I can't feel it.
That's not good news, make it.
Screw it, I guess I'll need to just add some more. I guess I'll need to add the liquid. Stick it on the... Okay, there we go. Oh, now it's holding strong, that's good. Oh, because I was in top chat, by the way, previously, I didn't see a couple of messages. Like, for example, make it. Are you a capacitor? Because I want to fill your charge.
You didn't see that one? Oh.
I just didn't see it. The absolute machinery that I'm making right now. The contraption. The thingamabob, even.
Damn.
Oh, now it's in. Now I can feel it. Yeah, I'm not pulling that one out.
Are you close?
Oh, I'm so close, Katsi. Okay. Then we need this to the output. Damn it, it's too small. No. No. You know what? It's not about the size, it's about the technique. So
Yeah.
there we go.
It's up to me to determine.
I can make it work. Told you, it's not about size, it's about technique. There we go. This right here contraption, which is right now emitting a lot of smoke, is a finished motor driver combined with a voltage amplifier. Which means that if we take...
We did make a smoke machine.
Whenever you saw there's always a smoke machine involved. That's a must. So now we just plug in the motor. Okay, you can...
It's also lead in your bloodstream machine.
My lead supplements. I was running low. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to take this. We need to set it to like 3 volts. No, that's 12. Way too much. If I fry the motor driver, I need to start over. So let's keep it at 3. Then ground is the external, right? Yeah, ground is external, which means this is the ground. This is the voltage. Right here. And now, if we just plug in the... now we just plug in... I don't know what, because I don't have much here. But if we just plug in one of the signals... Oh shit, which one? Wait. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Input terminal 6. Let me just turn off my power supply. Input terminal 6, we need to plug in... Oh wait, no. Voltage side. Side, we have the A and then B. But since it's backwards, B... Oh, this is... This is a puzzle. This is a 6-dimensional puzzle. I don't... Because I soldered the component in backwards.
Oh no.
So it's just a puzzle. Do I have anything that could...
Ruin this, Batman.
Let me just make it. Which way should it go? I can, I guess, plug in the resistor. I hope. Oh, that's a mega ohm. No, we don't want that. That's too much.
You're not it is a Pokemon, Batman.
Okay. Let's plug it in. Now, if I connect the power, so this side, to pin number... Katsi, say either a 2 or a 3. You pick. Which one?
2.
Okay, I trust you.
You've learned to limit your range when asking me a question.
No, there's just only 2 pins available. If you said 3, I wouldn't have a fucking... Oh, no, wait, 3 would be fine. But if you said 4, the pin, I wouldn't have a pin to plug it into. Yeah, now I don't know if it's working, and even if it isn't, then I don't know why. Let's crank it up to 4 volts, maybe that's the problem.
Straight up cranking it.
Okay, let me just connect my multimeter to these two right here, this and this. Okay, we get voltage out, which first of all, not great, because we shouldn't. We get 0.2 volt. Oh no, we get 0. Just by me holding up to this, we get voltage. Which I don't think that's how it should work. I feel like the other one should function as a... No, whatever. Yeah, we get like... Let me see again. This isn't great. What happens if I unplug it? Yeah, we get nothing, which means we already have some leakage. Just by the sheer fact of plugging it in. Not brilliant. Four volts, 1 volt. We get 1 volt through. Why do we get fucking 1 volt through? We shouldn't. It's off. At least it should be off. How am I supposed to set this all up? Okay. Really shouldn't be getting voltage through. Piss. Okay, where's my resistor that I've been using? There it is. Let me try to leave it in. Stick it in there, leave it in, then measure. Now we get 0. I was curious, what happens if we plug into 2? It used to be 0, if I unplug it. Now we get fluctuation. Can you not grab all of these at the same time? Well, that's shite, innit? I guess we'll need to do it like this. There. This is the ground. Hold to it tight. We still get 1 volt, which we very much should not be getting. That could be because it's not connected to the ground. That could be it. It's just, I just left the pins dangling. Okay, now it's 0. Now it's half. Half a volt. Maybe both these have to be connected. Why are you smoking? Don't. It's bad for you. I'm not gonna lie, this is way more annoying than I was hoping it would be. It's 9 volts. Why? 0.9 volts, I mean. It clearly isn't working. The question is why and what actually. This is also annoying. Like this solder at all. Note something. In order to actually truly test it, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna solder the pins. No fucking about. Where's my Pico? There you are. Okay. Still, why not? Let's go gambling, another Feminem song.
That's a good one.
Right. Well, I think this is as good of a setup as we're gonna get. Well, one last thing is we would like, I suppose, a common ground. So just plug in this ground in, this ground in, this ground into the other ground, all the grounds together. Which pin is that now? It's 0, 1, 2, 4 from the other side. Inadequate ducks, by the way, says hi, Katsi.
Oh, hi, Doc. I like that. Similar, as I like another word with similar spelling.
Spotify played another song, and Katsi, I just want you to check for yourself what that song is exactly. That's Spotify just played me.
Where is it?
You can check on Discord. I'm pretty sure what I'm listening to.
Hmm.
Just that. Just
Okay. Oh, that's a brilliant cover. Oh, that has some great lyrics too. Holy shit. I give it a shot. Hold on. I'm going to do this.
18 and 19, right? Pin 18. It's undefined. Oh yeah, because like this. Okay, gotcha. Okay, now we turn on the power, and we plug everything in. It will either work or it won't.
Like it.
Yep.
Look what's the album called? Or like the artist.
I need to. I mean,
That's
that's
a brilliant album
all
name.
of these, the names of the album, the names of the songs in the album also. Right. Okay. Great. As I was saying, this
Oh.
will either don't pick more.
Hold on. Look at the name of the first song on the album.
I can see. Wait.
Hmm.
Like all of the all of them. Wow. I mean, they've
You don't
only
want that to be seen on your
you can
Spotify.
you can buy their disc for £13. That's tempting. I'm honestly, I feel like that would make some great gifts to people.
God.
That is
Wait, I.
Anyway, as I was saying, this will either work or won't. It's hard to find out.
Wait, I just realized. I look at the cover. There's some blurry bits on the cover.
Yeah, it's blurred. It is. Holy shit! It works.
Oh God. This is. Where do you find this, my kid?
Because Spotify just played it with me. Alright, listen.
Spotify knows you a bit well.
What can I say? It all started by me playing one of your songs, Katsi. This is where Spotify got me, okay? I don't know what to tell you. I don't think it's me who Spotify knows that well.
Oh. Here it is.
Oh wait, the thing finished printing like 2 hours ago.
The lyrics on the first song are quite something.
I can only imagine, knowing the name of the song, Katsi, I can only imagine.
I'm sure you can imagine a lot. The lyrics are pretty straightforward about what the song's about.
You're still listening to pop, huh?
I'm now almost singing the lyrics, but this is not good. So there are some other bangers on this album. Oh, they do.
I don't think they have
What's
any
this album?
bangers, Katsi, to be honest. I feel like they have exclusively bang hymns.
What do you think of this one?
Hold on, let me check. Yeah, I know that's the other album cover. I've seen. It is. It's on brand, if anything. Good for them.
What? Oh no.
Oh no, what? What could there possibly be
I
more?
just look at the I just look at the first song on the other album.
What
It's a little
the piss one? Just without looking, I'm gonna
yeah,
guess. Well, without
this
looking, I just
one.
guessed.
Uh, kinky, but
There is certainly a lot going on
into
though.
a bottle you say that you'll have it with your tea.
I haven't listened to any
No.
of them, so you just casually referencing the lyrics. It paints a picture. I mean, to be fair, it's very descriptive. Hey, say what you want. They at least don't clickbait. Like, they make a song about something, and then that song is about that thing, you know? They're not pulling your
Just
leg.
mark me
They're
on my chest. It hurts. I mean, they don't click by. You are right.
they're not pulling your leg. They might be pulling something else, but they're not pulling
They
your
are
leg.
definitely pulling their leg up.
There we go. Then right here we'd like to have this. Well, ideally at an angle, honestly. I think 45 as well.
Hmm,
I'm still listening to them.
I don't know. Let's just see what other albums they have.
It's this, then this has to be the other way. And the power of the Alexa. Yeah, okay. By 54.
I'm gonna pretend I never seen this artist Spotify ever.
You don't like him?
Alvin is quite my taste.
Too classical, huh? Like it's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
I get what you mean.
I prefer more up to interpretation lyrics, I would say. So what's Spotify playing now?
Right now, SOS by Gigi. Oh, that's just surprisingly small artist.
Not familiar.
Yeah, they have 24. They have less listeners than the Penta Pub.
Probably good.
It's not bad. I like it.
Yes.
They only have 4 songs. That makes sense. Okay, this cool.
I can't believe fucking Spotify recommended that fucking thing.
The thing that started the playlist was a Road or Catsy. Can't exactly blame it. Bye, another good dog. Bye, have a
I
good one.
suppose. Bye. I
Disposable.
suppose you ain't wrong. I did start a playlist.
So. How's it gonna be? How is it gonna be? Oh, it has to be rotated as well. Okay, we can position it with one of them, and then we can do it like this one. Then we can do it relating. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'll be right back. Shit. I'm back.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do like this. You can have a drink from both. Ah, shit.
What is the house for?
This will house all the electronics I've just spent so much time soldering. Well, not really. It will house like power lines, some of them.
Okay. Why are they separate?
Oh, why these two are separate? They're not meant to be. I'm just taking out the measurements.
Okay.
I make the hexagon, but I don't remember how big the hexagon is. How can I do? Gotcha. Iron Horse. No, that's a normal song.
Sounds normal. Oh my god, that's a great song.
Stargazer. Well, I was about to say that you would like
Yeah.
it because the picture is fucking Global Teto.
I'm familiar with their entire catalog. It's all banger.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Just glow. I mean, I just see a massive Teto holding a tiny Earth, and I could tell that that would be something you'd be interested in. Right, fuck, I need to make the hexagon, don't I? And I need to figure out the angle, which is gonna be. And the distance and everything. Fucking everything. Let's just keep one of these just constant. Sick of sticking it in there. Any arbitrary hexagon. Let's keep this line as flat. Let's keep it at piss off. Let's keep it as 90. There. That's the size we want to be dealing with. Right. We want to put like this. What? What? Say it. What are you about to say? Go on. Say it. Huh?
Very.
That's very tame by your standards. All right. But yeah, no, I'm not used to
say
people.
something
No, I'm
else.
just not used to people saying that to me. You know. Okay, how am I gonna slice this cake? I need to. Well, figure out the measurements of all the points. What am I doing? I think. Make it stop being an idiot. Right here, we need this, which will be
That's another good song.
numbskull.
Yeah.
Four, and then I need. Oh, that'll be fugly, won't it? It might not be fugly actually.
Hardly.
Yes.
You never made anything hardly.
That is true. Well, there's a first time for everything, I suppose. If I keep these two parallel,
Hmm.
okay, these two parallel, these two parallel. The distance has to be equal from all lines. now we can take this and we can move it wherever we want. The only last pick was that these, I imagine we, oh no, but not between the midpoints, that's terrible, terrible idea. These right here have to be, I just realized the surreality of the scenario I'm in, because with the numbskull song, it all of a sudden just hit me. I don't know how to explain it. I just been hit by the fact that I'm listening to a Vocaloid doing the equivalent of basically Vocaloid rap, whilst just working on a device like this. It just suddenly hit me. Truly surreal experience.
What's so funny about it?
It's just, where have I gone with my life? Okay, let's fix this line. Oh, what did you?
I would say you're in a wonderful place right now.
Don't fix it there. No. Why you don't get stuck to the fucking circle? Here we go. Now the only problem with this entire design is that I don't actually know where this point lies. So now what we need to do is figure out. Oh, GG is not bad. 25,000 monthly listeners. That's like 3 times less than I have subscribers. But this is a really good song. This one, right? Mate. Oh, why can't the entire thing move? That's bad.
Their second most popular song is very relatable today.
Their second one, let me see. Was it Second Lead Syndrome? Is that one thing? that is funny. You got me with that one. Oh damn it! It's too damn it! It's too long. No.
You have that problem often.
Yeah, it happened every single time, you know. Oh, why are you going this way? Oh, this entire thing is a shit show. Is what it is. Can I just set? Actually, I like that song. I think.
Okay.
I can't hear the lyrics quite well because I keep getting notifications from my from SolidWorks letting me know that I don't have enough memory on my system. I'm sorry. Can you not be bigger? With all due respect, can you please biggen yourself?
Can you not fit?
I don't mean to be that guy. Listen, I hate to say it, but it's too small. Why are you already perfectly defined? What over defines you? This fixed point? How does this size relate to? Does size relate to angle? Look at this piece of shit! Oh, how did I fuck it up this badly? My goodness, it's impressive. It's honestly impressive. Let me delete these. Oh no, because this. Oh, that's why, you bloody idiot. This cannot be vertical. Wait, no, that one can. Wait, no, yeah, it doesn't matter. This cannot be vertical, and this cannot be vertical, but these two have to be vertical. Oh, I am such an idiot. Now we can fix this one. We can bring these forward, and that increases the size. I keep getting notification sounds from Windows that SolidWorks needs more. It doesn't have enough resources, and it's honestly driving me insane. I know for a fact that there is a way to change the notification sounds on Windows, and I'm honestly so tempted to change some kind of shitpost that every single time it lets me know, at least I'm not losing my mind.
You're gonna send it to like Cat Meow.
That's genuinely, I was thinking of Meow, yeah. That's because of you. You've poisoned me. This is not bad. In this case.
It's really impressive, solid working.
So it fucking does it! I'm okay. I'm okay. Escher painting of a shape. Maybe these two don't need to be merged like this. Let me just untangle it. Oh, never mind. Maybe I should reset it. Then maybe they don't need to be tied together. Well, there we go. We got there in the end. Yes, this looks fine actually. But I'm doing it on the wrong side, because of course I am. It's flipped. Everything is fucking flipped in this house.
You're about to flip.
I'm about to flip.
From 1,000 pounds flip.
I can then delete this, I'm pretty certain, because that one needed a driver. Oh, I am so good at what I do. Yes. Beautiful. Now if we get back. I'm incredible. Oh, no, it's too far. Well, if it's not... one is another, eh? Okay, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Like a true professional.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not going to work.
Well, watch this then. It didn't work, but you can... shut up. Wasn't refreshed. Doesn't matter.
Like, you take some measurements, I think.
No, I wouldn't take measurements to design something.
know
Are you mental? No, never.
I know it's really small and really hard to measure, but
Shut up. Shut up. It's average. It's an average size PCB board.
for a chipmunk, maybe.
Whoa! I wasn't expecting. Whoa. Way to bring a knife to a gunfight. Why's the thing still not soldering, by the way? What? It's such a shit show. This entire project is such a shit show. Okay. If I do a PCB like this, if I do a PCB like that, it should be fine. But then it's gonna swivel. Well, it won't swivel because it'll be soldered. Yeah, oh, that is true. We don't need much. Because it will be... that is true. It's a bit fugly. Why am I focusing on aesthetics? What am I doing with my life? Oh, and I think will be also bolted down by only, unless we do it like this. Okay, that could work. Let me first check if that's even, because I'll need the small screws. Catsy, alright. The big ones won't fit. Sometimes you need things that are small, you know? Let me just see if they're small enough. Yeah, okay, I won't have an issue, they're small enough. Okay. If you now be input reach, green is go. I do common ground. Okay, I think I'd be nailing it. But then on the other side, we'd like to have the voltage multiplier. Step up on that. Sorry. Okay. I keep off-putting it because I do need to actually take a measurement and it just bothers me. Because it's annoying, the screws aren't just opposite corners, so full. Okay, fine. Also, it's gonna have to be at an angle. You see, all yucky. It's all disgusting, gross, awful. It will have to be. My hexagon is absolutely and utterly fucking useless. Then need a shape. We need a shape. That we do. Fix one point in place.
That's a shape.
If I fix the size in place. And rotate. Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted to. Okay. What is happening with me? My mind's just gone blank. I genuinely can't think of anything.
That doesn't sound good.
No, it does not. I genuinely can't focus. I can't focus on anything. It's incredible. I normally am so good at multitasking, even, but right now I just can't focus on anything. I know exactly what I need to do. Take measurements. Right, that's what I need to do. Okay, let's just... Did I delete the shape I was dealing with? Yeah, I did. I wasn't supposed to. Jeez, what is genuinely happening to me? This is awful.
Are you okay? Is that lead causing something?
No, it's not lead. It's not. I just can't focus. Lead wouldn't have that immediate impact, don't worry. 21. Also, I have my window open this entire time. Don't worry, Katya, I'm doing the bare minimum.
Continue.
You're welcome. 41, 2, 3, 43. 43. That's 42, 43. Okay, so this is the shape itself. That's not what we want, however. What we would like is first of all a line like this. That'll be for construction. All of these lines will be for construction as well. You said the gas was about to say something. What happened?
Did I say something?
No, but you made this sort of gas, but you normally make for saying something. 60.
I'm sorry, I didn't say anything. I'm on mute.
Don't mute. Don't do this thing. You fucking sub. Honestly.
I didn't mean to say anything, I'm sorry.
You're such a sub. You're such a sub, and I don't mean the sandwich. I mean more like the the pub kind of song. Alright. Oh, don't mute now, come on! Oh. You're fine, you're okay, don't worry. Okay, the reason why it's so annoying, this shape, genuinely, my mind is, I'm losing my mind. The reason why this shape is so annoying is because, well, we have the rectangle down, right? It's rotated, it's beautiful, it's perfect. The problem is that one of the mounting holes is right here, the other one is right here on the opposite corner. But they're not actually on opposite corners because they're all offset from the edges, which means we need to find the offset, we need to find the offset, and then we need to find the offset both sides. Actually, it appears to be a millimeter. And then appears to be... I'm gonna make a gamble that the offset is the same on both sides, because if it isn't, that's idiotic. And I refuse to participate in a society like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 1. Katsi, remember that. One, two, three. Okay. So it should be 3. We need one right so, the other one like so. Wait, it's one from the edge, which means it will be 2.5 from this, and then the other one's 5, right? Oh, not that one. No, that's incorrect. This, and this, they all have to be a 4. Like this. Then... Oh, no, that's not accurate at all. Okay, maybe let's remove the equality. Because this one most certainly will be a 4. For the sake of consistency. Because otherwise Future Maker will hate me. And the other one will be F3. Then this and this and this and this, they almost certainly have to be for construction. This has to be a 2.5. And this has to be, it was a 5, right? Let me measure it again. Five, which means 7.5. This looks so fucking wrong. This looks so wrong. 6.5, you bloody idiot. Make it! Basic mathematics. Okay. 0.5. Right, but then this has to be equal to this. They already are. Okay. Why can be... That's not great. This point right here, this line, has to be equal to this one. Ah, shit. Can I decouple them somehow? Because then we need to do these for construction. And we need to carry the point over. Like this, like that. Angle of... No, it's gonna be perpendicular. It's gonna be 60. Can it go in a straight line? Close enough. It goes to the first one over and then the second one, which means this has to be this, 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 no, this, 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 and this I would like to be actually on the same height. Okay. This to this point and this one over other point. That's fucking garbage. I said these two as equal. That's not equal. These idiotic. Parallel. I can, but it's very yucky. And also it moves the original point, which is very much not something we want to do. This one we prefer to be fixed. I think this is as good as it gets. If I only fucking drew it in the right direction! I'm okay. I'm pretty certain I should be able to rotate it because of how I set it up. You know what? I really am struggling with thinking right now. I think I'm gonna go. I don't know what's happening to me. My mind's gone blank. I need to go for a walk. That's what I need to do. It's the fresh air. You see, that's the window. That's what happens when I have the window open, Katsi.
Well, so you're gonna go outside to have more fresh air.
Shut up! Don't question my logic. I'm not in the right mindset to have my logic questioned. Or lack thereof. I'm done. I'm going. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Have a great day.